So hi all, today we will talk about the top statement, and the top statement is used to limit the number of the returned rows from the select statement. So we will talk about the syntax of T-SQL that's used in SQL Server. As in the top statement, it differs from other types of SQL. So actually the syntax is select a top and then number or percent. Then we can specify the names of the columns or simply make it start to return all the columns, and from table name. So actually if we have a table called the table1 and it has about 5 rows, so if we try to select the top 3 rows from this table, we have only 3 rows that are returned. But if we try to select the top 7 rows, then in this case the whole number of rows of the table are returned, which is the 5 rows. So the same in percent. So if we have table 2 and this table 2 has 4 rows, so if we try to get the top 25% of the rows, in this case we will have only one row that is returned by the select statement. So let us go to the SQL. So if we select from the customers here, we can see that we have here 4 rows. So if we select the top 3 rows from customers, in this case we will have only 3 rows returned. But if we write here a big number, so like 15, so in this case all the rows of the table are returned because the total number of rows is smaller than the number that's written in the top command. So the same applies to the percentage. So if we write select top 25% from all columns from the table customers, we can see that now we get only 1 row. So that's all for today. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.